same verses in English.
And your Lord has decreed that you not worship except Him, and to parents good treatment, whether one or both of them reach old age. While with you, say not to them so much as if, and do not repel them, but speak to them a noble word. And lower to them the wing of humility, and say, My Lord, have mercy upon them, as He brought me up when I was small. Your Lord is most knowing of what is within yourselves. If you are righteous in intention, then indeed He is ever to the often returning to Him forgiving, and do not spend it wastefully. Indeed, the wasteful are the brothers of the devils. And ever has Satan been ungrateful to his Lord,